Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. I'm 12 minutes late. 13 minutes late. We late, but we made it. We late, but we made it. Let me open this up. Okay, make sure my sound is right. Make sure the stream is right. I'm a little red looking. I don't know why. Yes. What's up, everybody? What's up, Tosin? Oh man, I overslept. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, that last night was crazy. I still got Rambo Cito and Adrenaline's indicators are still on my charts. We're down 227 from last night. I was impatient, should have waited on the move, but we're gonna get to it. See if we can catch some type of move today. Some type of move. We got the market open up in 15 more minutes. In 15 more minutes. I'm a little late. But it's all good though. It is all good. Man, see if we got any volume. See if we can get anything once market open. All right, let's see. Let's get into it. 4 hour right here. Not waste no time. Actually, I'm sorry. That's not the first thing first. I didn't put my trust in God yet. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me get some God up in it. First things first. We need that scripture. Psalms chapter 32, verse 8. The Lord says, I will guide you along this best path, the best path for your life. I will advise you and watch over you. Do not be like a seamless horse or a mule that needs a bit and a bridle to keep it under control. Right? God is telling us He's going to give us the best path for our life. Right? He's going to watch over us. He's going to advise us. And He don't want us to be like a horse or a mule that needs a bit and a bridle to continue to control it because it keeps swaying off the tracks, right? And I find myself being just like that. So do you too, right? So He wants us to obey Him. Many sorrows will come to the wicked, but unfailing love surrounds those who trust the Lord. So rejoice in the Lord, be glad, all you who obey Him. Shout for joy, all you whose hearts are pure, right? Glory be to God. Have pure hearts, guys. Give your heart to God. Trust in Him, believe in Him. We're going to continue to obey Him. Have faith in Him. Right? Happy 4th of July. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. Get over a little bit. There we go. All right, we got a 4 hour demand zone right here. See if we can bounce off it. We got a 1 hour 2 as well. 4 hour demand. See if I can catch a smooth play today. See if I can catch some type of smooth play. Happy 4th. Let's get it. Let's go. We are kind of late, but hey, it is what it is. Better late than never. I know the market could be slow volume, but hey, you never know. We might find something. We can find something. We'll take that trade. Why not? If we can find something, it's a half day. Why not? All right. See if we can take a trade. Go on a daily first. I ain't got no daily up. Call in now. Calling it now. Market is going to skyrocket off rip. Let's see. Especially when we got this break of structure right here. Let's see. Put these dailies up. Let me put these dailies up. Give me a sec. Put these dailies up. Previous day high. Previous day low. Right. Previous day high. Do it for ES as well. It would have been a nice short. I didn't think the market was going to short like this, but hey, especially cause this small wick up here. Look at the weekly. Hopefully, I'm gonna keep continue to go short. We're gonna see. Oh, you up 1400 from what trade? Oh, you caught the shorts, huh? You caught that continuation short, huh? Oh, okay, 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 okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good work. Good work. Good work. Market opens up in 12 more minutes. What's up? What's up, Deontay? Happy 4th. Oh, man. Happy 4th. Morning to you. Beautiful day, too. All right, let's see what we got. I got the indicators on, but I'm gonna leave them up here though. I'm gonna leave them up here. Excuse me. What is this? We're gonna see. We got a lot of imbalance below. We got a lot of imbalance below. We got a lot of imbalance below. I know you want to see a bounce, but man, we got a big fair value gap right here too. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see where this market wants to go. Big old imbalance right here on the 4-hour. Actually, that's a far fair value gap. Why would I not putting that? Right? Got a feeling today is gonna be a good day, even on a on a low volume day too. I got a feeling. We're gonna see. You never know. You never know. Market can do whatever it want, man. Even if the volume not there, I've seen it. Seen it before. But we're gonna see. I'm putting all these zones just to get ready. Just to get ready. Excuse me. Right here. Yes, sir. Fall right here. We just say that's a big old zone right there. I'm gonna put this as a block. I'm gonna put this as a maybe a area of liquidity. All right. We got some stuff. We got some stuff. We got some stuff. I feel you, bro. Put our trust in the Lord, definitely gonna be a profit for real. Facts. Facts. Market opens up in 8 more minutes. 8 more. My boy talking for me. For what? For trading. Nism. Is it raining outside? Oh no. That's crazy. Surprised you can't even see the bags under my eyes. That's crazy. Boy, I ain't get no good sleep. It's a half day. The market's not closed. I mean, it's probably closed for like it's still a half day for futures though. It's not closed for futures. But if we get any volume, that'd be good. If we don't, then call it a day. Oh yeah, yes, NQ. I go short, I go long, but I'm mostly a long. I like the long a lot. I like the long a lot. I do. I try to find any long I can. I try to find any long I can get into. We're gonna see. We're in this little range right here, but we're gonna see. Facts. So, cause shorts, man, they play out, but they play out so fast and heavy. But when longs come in, bro, they develop. See, shorts come in so quick. Like you really gotta be on. You gotta be right on the money just to make sure that short coming in right on the money. Make sure you gotta know that fact that like them buyers are just drying up, and they just trying their best and they just keep failing. That's how you know a short coming in. But gotta be on that long side. Facts, facts, facts. Toast and talking. Yes, facts, facts. Once that market open, you know what time it is. It's a half day. We close at 12. I'm just trying to put more, more on the record, though. Bouncing at that 1 hour on ES. I mean, that 4 hour on ES. We're gonna see if we're gonna continue to go short. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Because this market can do whatever it wants. Unless we don't got no volume and it just, It chopped around a lot the whole time, though. Big moves. Oh, we broke all the way down from this 4 hour all the way down. It's crazy, right? That was earlier this morning. Oh man, I should have held that short. That was a good short. I just didn't like the formation of the rejection of it. Yo, when we had this, when we traded this over here, man, I was hoping we just kept. But then, yeah, I was hoping we'll pump back up. But oh well, buyers didn't want to come in. We're gonna see though. Facts. Facts. I'm going straight back to sleep. I ain't doing nothing else. We're gonna see though. Like I said, I am down 220, 227 from earlier this morning. Like literally like around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I tried to catch a trade up here. I ain't, you might say, oh, the balance right here. I thought we was gonna go long from here because of how we kept drying up. It kept drying up. I thought it was gonna really bounce and keep going long, but I did put the 4 hour fair value gap right here. I didn't think it was gonna reject it in this little weird manner. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Oh well. We also got this hammer bar, especially with the you can't see no buyers. But I was hoping we'll come back up and then maybe retrace. I didn't expect us to retrace like this. Facts. I didn't think it was gonna come down like this, just that fast. For anything, I thought it was gonna continue to pump. But we might get we're gonna see. We're gonna see when market open. We're gonna see. Okay, we got a we'll put this right here. 15-minute demand zone. demand zone. I might get rid of this this little imbalance right here. I'm getting rid of this. Yeah, 15-minute demand zone. What's up? What's up, Abdullah? We're gonna see. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. We're gonna see. Yeah. So I called it bull run off the rip. We're gonna see, my guy. We're gonna see. See if you speaking Latin. We're gonna see you speak Latin. See if you right. I don't know. Like a bit heavy rejections up here. We're gonna see. Can we bounce at these zones? I don't know. We're gonna see. It's looking kind of short. Looking kind of short. Market's about to open up in 10 seconds. Somebody said 1 more minute. We got a second left. He says it's gonna dip and run. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I got the indications. I got the indicators up from last night. Well, 12 o'clock. Look at a 5 minute, 15 minute. Market's open. Yeah. Uh-oh. No movement. It's just it's choppy. We're gonna see. What's up, TK? I'm not short or long just yet. I want to see some break of structure. Right? I'm thinking long. I really think long. We're gonna see though, but it looks like we're rejecting right here. We're gonna see. I'm thinking long though, by the way. I just want to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. Boy said he called it. Hey, ain't nothing happened yet. Damn, you called it already? Dang, my TP hit last night. Yes, sir, TK. TP hit. That's what's up. Got the TP hitting. TP hitting. What dip? I'm looking for the dip on NQ. I'm looking for that dip. I don't see it yet. We still in this little range. 15 minute. I'm looking at the 15 minute. Took it out, Bob. I don't know. I don't know, coach. I don't know, coach. I don't know. That ain't it, chief. Can we get out this 15-minute range? That's the question. Oh, look at this. Look at the dip. And then a rejection just that fast. I might see about a short. Ooh, we ain't got no clothes, so you know what that means. Oh my goodness, people got absorbed. You seen that absorption? Oh my God. Y'all be careful, be careful, be careful. If I don't get into a trade, trading at your own risk. Remember this. If you take my trade, it's at your own risk. Alright? Just let you know. It's at your own risk. This market is getting highly volatile. On the 4th of July, we getting highly volatile. Oh my goodness. I absorbed just like that. Just like that. 1 minute into this 5-minute prints and 11 minutes into the 15-minute prints. I want to see. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. That's tough. Wait till 9:45, 9:50, 9. Oh, right. She playing. Right. She playing. Facts, boy. You'll get chopped up in this. Samurai chop. You will get samurai chop playing this market. Okay. 15 minute, 5 minutes just printed. Or no, 3 minutes just printed, but 5 minutes about to print in like 30 seconds. Still in this range. Looks like a big rejection coming though. We're gonna see. Well, we're gonna see. Can we continue short on this? 25 minutes on the 4 hour. Excuse me. 25 minutes on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 30 minute. Man, this thing, bro, this thing is looking like it want to bounce. I am not kidding you. We're gonna see. I'm trying to see if I can find. Oh, imbalance right here below in the break. Hey. I might try long. But hey, just wait. If you're taking my trade, I'm not in yet. Just be patient. And also, remember, it's at your own risk. Okay, we got this long little wick on the 5 minute. I like that. Do we have to take out any more liquidity? That's the question. Do we have to come back down and take out more lows? Can we pump back highs to the highs? Or are we going to reject? It looks like we're rejecting at this block right here, though. Let me play some more zones just to make sure. Bob, I'm getting rid of this. This is invalid. We might be rejecting. Oh, as soon as I'm about to click the shorts. Dang, bro. As soon as I'm about to click them shorts. I know. As soon as I'm about to click it, it just took off on me. Man. Boy said big dip coming. Big dippy. We're gonna see. Hey, I'm in no rush. You know, there's no quick little, you know, I'm not gonna get all scared and nervous. It is what it is. If the market take off without me, it is what it is. No point of just getting into it just yet. Gotta wait. I don't want to get absorbed. I don't want to get absorbed in this. I don't want this to dip on me. Big drop. Okay. We're gonna see. What is this? 30-minute fair value you got? Okay. My boy Alex says he gonna wait for CISD, change of state and delivery. My God. Oh my God. What's up, Alex? Hey, change in state of delivery. I like that. Man, we got H. Hey, I like that. We're gonna see. Let me look at it. I like that. He's speaking Latin. I like that. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. Alex over here speaking Latin. He wants that CISD. Okay. I feel that. Let's see. Yes, sir. You speaking Latin. I know most everybody over here only knows supply and demand, support and resistance. He's speaking CISD. Looking for that swing high to get reversed on, and then bop, confirmation that we can overtake that swing high, that swing low. Hey, I feel you. Change the delivery. We're gonna wait for it. Look at the back of your dollar. You know, you'll see Latin. Read the back of a dollar bill. I think it says Maximus Platinus or something like that. It literally, I have a 20-second delay. Oh man, you know, it's all good. A 20-second delay on what? What do you got, like delayed data? Or is it delayed on my on my stream? I know we definitely do. It looks like we do have a lot of room to the downside. I know you're trying to see if we're gonna close below this point and then respect one of these areas right here and then go long. I was hoping to catch a short, but I don't want to get bounced up in this range though. We're gonna see. We're gonna definitely see. Hey Alex, what level are you looking for? What level? If you was to look for the you was looking around here maybe. We took out the highs, right? We took out these highs, right? Took out these highs. And maybe if we get a change of delivery, you might see a swing low. If we can get close below this point right here, maybe let's look at a 4 hour. If we can get a close below this point after this swing low took out this high right here, we might see a change of delivery going down to the shorts, right? But I don't want to see us bouncing right here. But I don't think we are though. It looks like we're gonna go short. I might try to find a short though. The stream. Oh, my bad, bro. It is the laggy. My bad. My bad. My bad. If it's laggy, my bad. I mean, it's just we're gonna just have to do what we gotta do. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. We didn't take out the liquidity. We took out some liquidity, but we didn't take out the one right here. You think we're gonna go down at 820, 820, 820, 5 minute, 820. Yes. If we get that close, yeah, for sure. If we go down here to the previous day low and we close below all of this, we definitely gonna have a change of state of delivery for real. A CISD for real. Cause we have equal lows. Going down to a 1 hour to kind of see it. If we come down here and close and have equal lows, that's gonna be nice. Right? That would be nice. That would be nice. We took out these highs. This is our swing low. This is the swing low that took out these highs, right? When he says CISD, what that means? What he means is we might have a change of delivery. If we can get right back below that previous day, that swing low that took out the highs, we can see ourselves having a change of delivery. That's what Alex is talking about, if you don't know. Hey, I don't have the best computer right now, so you have to bear with me. If it's a delay, one day we're gonna have a nice computer with no latency. It's gonna be like super smooth, right on the money. Man, that's big bounce. Big bounce just came in. I should have took that trade. That was a nice trade. 106, 112 ticks. Oh my goodness. Just made 1,000. That's what's up, Tosin. Took that trade. Good job. Good job. That's okay though. If I don't take no trade, it is what it is. If I do take a trade, it is what it is. You know, it's not about the. To me, at first I used to like think about it was all about the money, but shoot, I took in payouts. I proved myself already. If I miss a trade, it is what it is. We're gonna keep finding, looking for one. Right? Was waiting on that big pullback. I know, especially right here too. Nice little bounce at this 30-minute fair value gap. Nice little bounce. Nice little quick little pull. We're gonna see. Does this market want to continue short or it wants to continue long? We're gonna see. 3 minutes on this 15-minute, especially on this 15-minute print right here. Can we get above this and continue on? Can we get above this? Right? Oh, shoot, not that. Does this market want to continue long? Right? Or does this market want to go short? We're gonna see. On the 1 hour, it looks like we're rejecting this block right here, right? Got a lot of liquidity that's sitting up here. 30-minute, can we break above? 15-minute also, can we get past this 15-minute opening range? Can we break the 15-minute opening range? On the 5-minute, we took out some lows, took out some liquidity, made equal lows. Looks like we want to print and go high. Oh, okay, we go longs. Hey, look at that. We're gonna see though. I should have took that long. I had a feeling about it too. I was gonna wait for it at the 30-minute. That's okay though. I had a feeling when I put that 30-minute fair value gap right here, I was hoping that even though this low had printed above right here, I knew it wanted to come back down. I had a feeling on it. All right, let's see. We still got a couple more minutes until this 15-minute prints, but that's okay though. That's okay. Still can get a rejection though. Big push. Big push. About 15-minute, big push. Still can reject though. Not guaranteed that we can still break. Everybody getting along, getting faked out, and getting absorbed, right? We got to make sure that we getting that confirmation, though. It always, yeah, it definitely does. It definitely does. It definitely does. Either we're scalping this market. That's like, I ain't gonna lie though, there should be a study done on scalp times. I think that should be a study, because now using CRT, CISD, Judas Swing, these are mainly kind of scalpy plays, but at the same time, man, that's why trading can be hard. Trading can be hard because everybody's a scalper, but the thing is like time and price. You gotta really be a master of time and price, literally, because this stuff can be really tricky if you're trying to get in and get out. Because you could really catch a trade and it would not be ready. I mean, you could be having a setup and it would not be ready. And how would you know when it's gonna be ready? Even if we took out liquidity, how would you know? That's the catch about this whole game, man. You really gotta have like really skin in the game and a lot of screen time, a lot of screen time. All right, 15 minutes about to print in like a second. See if we can get any continuation going long. See if we can get a continuation going long. If not, then we might see a rejection. Facts, me either. All right, here we go. ES, I like how ES is looking too. ES looks like it wants to keep on going long. We're gonna see. Got that range. See if we're gonna get that rejection. We are approaching macro time. Usually in macro time, that's usually where the shorts come in. ICT teaches about macro timing, and there's a period between 8:50 to 9:10, 9:50 to 10:10. So when you see macro timing, you might see shorts. We didn't get the breaker structure above. We might see some shorts come in. Right? We might see some shorts come in, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got the break above on the 15-minute, but we didn't get the break above. We didn't get the break above, and we didn't break these highs. We're gonna see. Might see another rejection. Big wick though on the 1 hour. Are we gonna hold this level right here and continue going long? Maybe so. But we didn't get the breaker structure though. Not even on the 5-minute. Well, yeah, we did. We got one right here though. We got the breaker structure on the 5-minute right there though. Look on that push. Big push. Yes, sir. This market can be tricky. Can we continue to go long and retrace back up to these highs? Or are we going to break? The fact that we printed right here, you know what's crazy? How we got this, I wouldn't say this is a fair value gap, because the fair value gap is it has like no wick. It almost don't look valid. But let's say if this was a 4-hour fair value gap, right? 4-hour fair value gap. Could this be the bounce right here to go back long and then retrace back to the lows? So can we break out of this range? If we get above this range, I would like to see a long. Let's see about this. We also got a 5-minute right here. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of this though. I'm gonna get rid of this just to get it out of my way. Right? 5-minute, the 5-minute supply zone right here. 5-minute supply. If any of y'all taking trades, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. These lines right here could be bounce points, especially right here too. Right? How we just bounce right there. What we gonna see? Another 30-minute closes in 12 minutes. We're gonna see either we're gonna reject right here and continue to go short, or we're gonna bounce right here and continue to hold and go long. We're gonna see. We in this range though. We haven't broken high, nor have we broken low. We in this range. I think our only move, like Tosin said, our only move could be for the day was right here at this 30-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute demand zone. That could have been our only move for the day to get in and get out. I missed it from doing a lot of this, a lot of talking. And you know, you can get influenced too, but that's okay though. Make sure y'all take out trades. Remember to take out trades. Don't be afraid to take the direction you believe in. If you believe they might go long, go long. If you think it's gonna go short, go short. Don't be afraid to take that trade. Because you can be right. How would you know if you're right or wrong or not? Right? All right, so look. We got a five minute I feel like it, but I don't know. There could be another setup. True. Oh yeah, that's gonna always be another. So you already know. You already know there's gonna be another setup. Might see shorts come in though. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Still in this range. Still in this range. See if we're gonna reject right here or continue to go long. I have never seen a trade look like this and go long, but we're gonna see. It looks short to me. I ain't gonna lie, it looks short to me. But not gonna lie, I ain't see a lot of price action yet. Me either. A lot of scalp. A lot of scalping. You're just gonna have to take those trades, take those little quick little scalps and get out and get in. Get out and get in. Get in and get out. Definitely rejecting. But we're gonna see though. Because remember, look, 5 minute closings in 8 seconds. See that? I'm waiting on that time. In this range though, not breaking lower. Oh, all time frames print in like 9 minutes though. All time frames about to print in 9 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit on hands until these 9 minutes print. I'm gonna sit on hands. I might just wait. 5 minutes just print it. Could we reject and go back down to the shorts? Can we come back down? All time frames about to print in 9 minutes. Amir said he might go long. All right. Amir says he might go long. He's liking this range. He's liking this area to maybe hold up and continue long. So Amir is going to go long, y'all. Take your trade, bro. I'm waiting out because we got 9 minutes on the whole time frame. 9 minutes on the whole time frame. So I'm sitting on hands. I like how we got the breaker structure, but I would like to see us bounce at this range and then shoot and just go back up. But we might close down on a retracement. We're gonna see. We didn't get the breaker structure on the weekly. That's another indication that we might short too. See this? We didn't get no breaker structure, right? On the weekly, we didn't get the breaker structure. BOS? Did we get a weekly breaker structure? So this can be a rejection and short, right? Who knows? Also on the monthly. Look at that. On the monthly, did we get the breaker structure on the monthly? Nah. We took out the highs, we swept the highs, but we didn't get the breaker structure. On the weekly, we didn't get the breaker structure. So can we reject and go short? This is the question. Will we see a rejection at this point? Are we going to continue to go short? Or are we going to go long and bounce? I mean, yeah, for sure. And that too. Range play because we are in the range. Ooh. If it holds down between 904, if it holds down between 904 and 910, if it holds down between 904 and 910, let me drop down to a lower time frame to see what you're talking. 94, 910. Okay, I like that. Actually, if we had a fair value gap right here, pop, nice little bounce right here, we can see the longs because all the big players are not trading today. We can still scalp today though. Doesn't mean you can't scalp the trades. I mean, you can still scalp this market. Good practice. Or just practice. If you think you need volatility, I mean, I would like volatility, but if you think you need volatility to trade a market when retail traders are trading, bro, you can trade any market if you know how to trade. Like, for real. You can still have big moves. You can still have 100 ticks down, 100 ticks up. 100 ticks down, 100 ticks up in the same day. That's a good move to find what? Add in a calculator. If you did, yes sir. I mean, sure, you can still scout this market, even without the big volatility. I'm pretty sure they got. You might never know. They might still got thousandaires, 100,000aires, millionaires still playing this market as we speak. You never know. You never know. Also, we got what's his name? Isaac. Isaac, what's up, Isaac? Isaac said in this 904 to 910 level, we hold this range, we can see a continuation long. We're respecting this area right here, also bouncing this fair value gap. This market may not go nowhere, you know, but we could definitely try to use these as validation to maybe catch it to a trade. We got a couple more minutes until the 4-hour prints though. 6 more minutes until this 4-hour print, so we might be in this range for a good bit. If we don't break above, then we might see us in this range for a good bit. Shorts could come into this next week. Next week we might see some. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. You never know what may happen. You never know. You know, you never really know. Even on a low volume day, you never know what this market might do. This is the last day of the week. It is Friday. So it's always good to try to sit on hands and be safe. Rambo, Cito, what's up, man? You waking up, man? I thought you would be asleep, knocked out, man. Thought you'd be in the bed, knocked out. What you thinking, Rambo? What you thinking, Commando, Rambo? Five more minutes until this 4-hour prints. All right, I'm about to get rid of some. I'm about to get rid of something. I'm about to get rid of this nonsense right here that's in the way. Are we going up now? Hey, to be honest with you, I don't think we really going anywhere until we get out this range. Until we get out this range right here, this big old fat range, then I can see big movements. But this fact that we still in this little range, I don't like that. All right, hey, y'all give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh, that's what's up. Took the gold trade. Next week, depending on news, could be going up on a trend. Facts. Took the gold trade. Took the gold trade. I'm gonna look at gold. I haven't seen gold in a minute. MGC. Let's see. What look gold looking like? Ooh, these charts are messy. Took the gold trade. Huh? What gold trade, bro? In his range? What is this? It's Chop City. I mean, if you took it at 415, this little short. Ooh, man, gold is on fire today, man. Gold is moving. Hold up, let's move these charts. Get rid of all this nonsense. Gold is not playing. Gold is not playing. At 9 o'clock? Oh, you talking about yesterday, right? Wait. Oh, you talking about? Oh no, your time frame is different. I'm sorry, my bad. Your time frame is different from mine. Oh, you took this what? You took a long. You took a long. Oh yeah, nice play. Nice play. You took the long. Good play. Hey, my boy Rambo Cito took that long. Took out that liquidity below. Got that bounce right here. Same old stuff. And guess what I was doing at the time you was taking that trade. Fiddling with all this stuff, trying to get back on. Good trade though. Good trade. Nice little sweep. Nice little bounce. Respect right here. Oh, 2 respect. 1 respect. 2 respect. 1, 2. Bow. Big rejection right here. Bow. Build up. Sellers couldn't get in. Bow. Buyers coming in. Bow. Good job, Rambo. Good job. Rambo really did that. And then, shorts coming because we didn't get the breaker structure. You know how I go. Same old play, same old stuff. Good stuff. MNQ. All right, we got a couple more minutes. Actually, 1 minute and 30 seconds until this candle print. Good job, Rambo. Looking for those bounce points. Yes, sir. That boy stunting on me now. Oh my goodness, he's stunting on me. No way. Put this guy in the on the Hall of Fame, all the Hall of Fames. Alright. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting, still waiting. Oh, short's getting heavier now. Uh-oh, it's getting volatile. Look at this volatility. Look how the volume starts picking up. Look how it starts picking up. Look at this, look at this. Hey, you telling me nobody trading? Nobody's trading this right now? Come on. This volume is messy. Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow, we picking up. Wow. We're gonna see. Can we go long from here? Can we respect this and go long? Oh, I mean, once the candle prints, of course. NQ London shorts. NQ London shorts. We want it to go down heavy. Yes, we do. We really do. We would love to see it go down heavy. Yes, we do. Absorption happening. We in this range. Everybody's getting absorbed right now. Big old wick above. We respect it on this fair value gap right here. Perfectly. We're gonna see. Short term. Higher time frame is where it's at. So higher time frame. Higher time frame. So candles just printed, right? Candle just printed. Big wicks. Market don't look tradable, but we can try to scout though. Let me know if you catch any trade. I want breaker structure. Facts. Me too. I really do too. This might be a see money, take money type of day. This might be a see money, take money type of day. This might be like get in, get out, and take your profits and call it a day. Whatever trade you see. But if you think you can hold a trade, more power to you, because this market is looking sideways. Can these shorts come in? Even though we didn't get the break of structure right here, we didn't get this last candle break of structure. We have this bounce point. Will we bounce right here? Will we come down and bounce right here? Or are we gonna take out some liquidity and then reject? Right? We got we can have a possible CISD if we have the volume, but I don't think it's gonna happen today. His target is 22,972, 22,972. Today? You want to get that today? Hey, it can happen. We're gonna see. You never know. You never know. 22,972. He has a target up there. He wants to get those highs. He wants that liquidity above. My God. He wants that liquidity. What? E-Dog? Who is E-Dog? I don't know what you're talking. I don't know. Oh, but Rambo said he out for the day. He done for the day. That is it. Took his trade, got out, called it a day. Hey, I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's crazy. Believe it or not, we trade the same. We do. Like, the way you saw that trade on gold is literally the same way. If I would have saw that, I wasn't paying attention. If I would have been on and saw that trade, it's literally so obvious. Man, that would have been a nice bounce point. I just put my little markers right here to see how we bounce, and I just get in right there. That's, man, we really do be trading the same. And your family's good, Tyreek. What? Hey, King Vine, all that, but guess what? The Lord says he will guide us along the best pathway for our life. Psalms 32, chapter 8. The Lord says, I will guide you along the best pathway for your life. I will advise you and watch over you, right? Do not be like a senseless horse or a mule that needs a bit and a bridle to keep it under control. Many sorrows will come to the wicked, but unfailing love surrounds those who trust the Lord. So rejoice in the Lord, be glad, obey him. It says right here on verse 11, obey him, shout for joy in all your hearts who are pure, right? Glory be to God. I also got another one, but we're going to get to that once we get to the end. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't know King Von, but I know Jesus Christ. I don't know. Sorry to say it. Sorry to say. I don't know. All right, let's see. So gold, this is gold. All right, so gold is in this little range, right? I'm gonna let it just do what it does, what it do, right? MNQ, go back to it. Still stuck in this range. Big wick. Yeah. Yeah. Rejection? Are we rejecting right here? Can we take out that liquidity below? 4 hour. We're gonna see. We gotta wait. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. Just in case we do go long, I'm gonna be patient. Market do close at 12 o'clock. If I don't catch a trade by 12, then it's all good. Also, I'm gonna be back on Top Step on Wednesday, 9 o'clock. I mean 11:15. Wednesday, I will be back on Top Step. Wednesday, 11:15. You better go to sleep? Hey man, yeah, go get you some sleep. Wednesday, I'll be back. I'm gonna be on Top Step at 11:15. Facts. Still waiting on the trade. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still being patient. Still being patient. Hey, that's what's up. God bless you too, bro. That's what's up. All right, let's see. I don't know why, but if we hold this range and continue to reject, I might see a long. Just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. How many micros you recommended to trade with a 50K account? Me, bro. I'm gonna show you right now. I would do even as much as this, starting off 10. But me, if I was I don't want to give advice, but if you wanted to ask me, I would say start off with 3 to 5 tops, 3 to 5 tops. But me personally, in a combine or a PA, I'm going straight to the 15 to the 20, straight to it. I'm doing definitely a mini or a half of a mini and a half, straight into it. That's just who I am. That's just my trading style. But to be safe, I would say never no more than 3 to 5, just to be safe. Because if you can risk just only 350, you can give yourself a chance every single day, Monday through Friday, to really pick it up and do more with runners, So if you're really doing it safe, I would say 3 to 5 minis. 3 to 5 micros, not minis. 3 to 5 micros. You'll be giving yourself a $350 to a $400 range. If you're giving yourself a 50 tick or 60 tick range, that's not bad at all. Why not take that? And if you got runners, hey, you're doing good, right? Yep, that's it. Shoot, if you're doing meme says it's an easy long. Remember me. Crazy. All right, we're gonna ping that. We're gonna ping that. We got you. He said easy long. Remember me, I'm pinning him to the chat. Easy long. We gonna see. We gonna see. Easy long, huh? We gonna see. Easy long. Okay. Okay, mean. We gonna see. Got him on the chat pinged up. All right. Still being patient. We probably could have missed a big move though, for sure. I'm gonna lock in now. I might stop yapping. Especially if you got 3 to 5 if you got 3 to 5 micros and you're doing like 60 ticks, that's 150. If you do like 3 to 5 micros and you do 100 ticks of room, that's about $300, $400. So that's a good margin to give yourself some room to have runners run. You know, that's a good margin. But I like going heavy. I don't know. It's something about going heavy. It's a different type of feeling. But you definitely gotta be humble and remain responsible in my trading, though. That's why I'm not just taking any trades right now. I did last night because I was thinking about it too much, but yeah. Might see a big job. You might say, okay, what about these candles? They're drying up, right? These candles are drying up, right? We're building down. We got buyers that not just there's no more like there's no more buyers in this market in these last candles. We got a lot of wicks. Are we gonna come back down? Possibly. We can see ourselves coming back down. We can definitely see it. Rambo Cito is going long at 22.092. Stop loss at 22.887. Target is 22.972. My God. Let's look at that high time frame. He wants to go for these highs. Wait, hold on. I'm going to a 15 minute because I think it's a little better. He's going for these highs right here. Bop. Rambo Cito. Hey, you know what? I'm going to do this. Rambo Cito says he wants to go long. Rambo Cito TP. Full TP. Let's just say full TP. Unless he takes, something along the way. Rambo wants to take up right here, bop. Right, bop. Rambo Cito going full TP is right here. He going long at 22.902. He's looking for these shorts at 902. 902. Why 902? Why not this? Oh, unless we bounce at this level. We could bounce at this level. That'd be nice. Like if we see a nice little respect right here, a bounce. Maybe take out some liquidity. If we could take out some liquidity, respect right here, I'm going along with you. We're gonna see. And he's got to stop at 22.887. 22.887. So 22.902, right around this range, and 22.887. He got a 60 tick stop right here. Something like that. A 60 tick stock right there. Bop, bop, bop. Something like this. Something like this. Something like that. Something like that. Bop. Alright. Alright. Something like that. All right, bet. That's what's up. That is what's up. We're gonna see. Good trade though earlier on gold. Good trade. Where my boy what's his name is? Drilling Rush? Gotta get him back in here too. He probably knocked out. What, really, bro? You can do micros easily. Just trade micros. Hey, if you know micros, bro, your scaling in, scaling out will be potent. Seriously, if you did micros, you could do the same, man. You know, I ain't got. Hey, more power to you. That's what's up, though. Keep doing your thing. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. You know, if it's your trading style, it's your trading style. I can't convince you. Good stuff, TK. Good stuff, Rambo. Nissim, Admire, Meme. We got you pinged up, Meme. And watch, Meme. I bet you Meme gonna be in here and say, "Yeah, I told y'all the loans gonna come in." We gonna see. Shorts do looking good. They look good. They look good. Bro, they trying to hold this range. It's almost like everybody's waiting for the market to just move and then they get into a trade. That's what it feels like. Everybody's just waiting for a market to move and then we get into a trade. So crazy. Why does it feel like that? Probably not going. You're right, Spider. Probably not going nowhere, my boy. Nowhere. Nada. What's up, Myra? No, I'm doing pretty good. I'm a little tired though, but I'm good. Yes, sir. We'll see. We'll see what the market can do. You never know. Even when a bank holiday no volume, we can see. Market still can fill in orders and look for liquidity. Because you never know how many people are still trading. Even without big players like hedge funds in the market. You never know. But I'm going to still wait out till this whole 12 o'clock to see. If we don't get nothing till 12, then it is what it is. I'll wait till Monday. Right? Just make sure y'all like and subscribe and follow. No break. We're just holding this range. Looks like we might go short. It do it. Sometimes, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't trade on here, but if we can catch a scalp, hey, why not? Cut the scalp, call it a day, and take some sleep, or maybe go pop some fireworks or something. We're gonna see. Wow. But we couldn't break once, couldn't break twice, couldn't break 3 times. 2 bounces, equal lows, even triple lows, really. In this range, sideways, bouncing off this fair value gap. How many ticks was that? 40 ticks. Yes, sir. Ooh, this looks good. Look how we stacking across. This looks really good. Mean little play. Sideways box. Bop. We're gonna see. And then we're gonna see. Patience. That's all it is. Facts. It's happened yet. Just having patience. We're trying to see if we can get a bigger play. You know what's gonna happen. Usually when you see a basin out, when you see a basin, you get a drop. Get a respect. When you get another basin, you might drop again. We're gonna see. Shoot, if we could take out these highs, I might go back down for these lows. Constantly rejecting at this block though. I'm gonna put this as 1 hour rejection. 1 hour rejection? Question mark. I'm gonna take your play off here. I don't want to make it seem so out. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of like not cool. All right. Yeah. Right. Oh, we're rejecting. It'd be nice to see us take out these little highs right here. Maybe have a rejection back at this 5 minute and print perfectly up the 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? It would be nice. Can we go long at this bounce and take out these highs? Respect this 5 minute, have a nice little candle build right here, then reject and go short. We're gonna see. Take these quick scalps if we can. Take these quick scalps if we can. And if not, then yeah, this is like it's building up though. That's just crazy. I'm gonna go back to gold. I want to look at gold to see what it's doing real quick. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's a lot of range. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like it though. I like it though. But then again, we didn't really sweep. We didn't sweep. I would like to see us kind of have a like nice little sweep. Let me look at it. Look at some more. Yeah, we're gonna see. I want to see if it can come back down just a tad bit, just a little bit more. See if it can come down a little bit more, touch into this little halfway point, maybe up in here somewhere. We're gonna see. Somewhere in here, maybe come down just a tad bit more and then bounce. I'm looking at 1 hour. Look at a 1 hour. Okay. Rejection right here. Look at a 4 hour. Okay. Ooh. Hey yo, I'll be right back. I think my kid's going crazy. Be right back. All right, back. All right, let's see what we got. All right, get off gold for a second. Let gold do his thing. He might be taking that long, but I'm gonna wait. All right, let's go back to NQ. Go back to NQ. NQ still in this range. We still got Still got a good hour, 2 hours and 20 minutes until this market close. Still got a good 2 hours and like 30 minutes until this market close. Back in this range. It would be nice to see a long, but I want to see us take out some liquidity at the lows. If we didn't already do it already. Especially when you get to this 4 hour. You know, we didn't even touch this 4 hour yet. Like, we didn't even come back down into it and just, like, literally tap it. But we did, but we overchecked it. Okay, okay. This could be a long. We're going to see. We're going to see. I would like to see us literally just either tap into this and reject or break this and go long. Also with ES too. Ooh, we got an imbalance above. Wait a minute. Y'all see that? Hey, I have a target right here. I have a target right here for this imbalance below. I mean, imbalance below. I want to see if we can get that target. I want to see us either we can hold this, man. I want to see us hold this level and continue to go long and then take out that target above. I would like to see that. That looks like a small range. I'm gonna see how many ticks that is. From like here to there. Oh, that's 140. 130. Okay. Okay. Still being patient. Still patient, waiting for that trade. Go back down to gold if you don't get out of this range. See what gold is doing. Okay, okay, okay. Nice little pop, but not much of a movement yet, though. Okay. It's a little weird market. Look how sideways this is. So weird. Right underneath that fair rate, 1 hour fair value gap, though. Just chop city. Okay. Yeah, nothing there, nothing there. Let's get to another one. Just straight choppiness. Man, these markets are really choppy today. I think the move was literally in the morning. As soon as the market opened in the morning, that was it. They had to be in, but we gonna see. We gonna see. See, you really got no volume in these candles right here. Not too much. Not like they won't have no full candles. We just have number wicks. Wicks. Rambocito said he's long. Rambocito said he's long. Good stuff. I don't know. I just see how the candles are building up. We're getting the wicks rejection, but the candles, how they build. I like how the candles are just constantly forming up. Trade natural gas is crazy. Rambocito. Nice pump. Nice push off this zone too. Nice move. Nice move. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right? Like this build up. Like this respect. Push up. Nice. Good long. That's how many ticks was that? Good. Almost, yeah, good 40 ticks right there. Yeah. Good stuff, Rambo. Rambo said he going for that 9-7. Yes, sir. Rambo going for that 9-7. I like it. 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 Good stuff, Rambo. Nice little 10-point move right here. 5-minute Prince in 10 seconds. Damn, Ryan been in alone for 30 minutes? My God. You been holding, huh? I see. Nice build up though. It looks long. I ain't gonna lie, it looks long. 15 minutes just printed. 15 minutes just printed. Can we push? Can we break past this? Can we get above all of this? Right? It looks long. How we keep building up, right? Rejection of the wicks right here. I like that. ES is starting to show some volatility to the longs. First TP could be probably at these highs right here. Huh? On a T-minute chart? T-minute chart? What? You talking about on a T-minute chart? 935 candle is an order block. On what time frame? Oh, look at that push. Goodness. On what time frame? Oh, 5-minute chart. My bad. 5-minute. 5-minute chart. 935 candle. 935 candle is an order block. Yeah. All right, so we did push into this 5-minute. Nice little 5-minute. We took out the liquidity. That's nice. That was a good move. Can we have the continuation? That's the question. Can we have this continuation? We got the bounce right here. Got the respect right here. Sellers didn't want to come in. They tried to come in, didn't come in. Had no choice but to go up. Nice. Nice trade. Nice trade. Continuation. Got the people in the longs right now. Push. That's what's up. Good trade. Good trade, y'all. Good trade. As soon as we broke this, shoot up. Good job. Yeah. Good job. I'm still waiting. Not gonna take a trade just yet. Big move. How many ticks was that again? Let me look. 100 ticks. The volume is there. Definitely just gotta be patient. Good job, Rambo. Okay, rejection on gold. I'm gonna set it at a higher time frame and watch it. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna go back to MQ. Ooh, can we have that continuation push long? Can we respect this 5-minute and go above? Or are we gonna reject? Can we respect this block? Wait a minute. That's a 3-minute. That's what's up, Amir. That's what's up. I bought 10-10 candle. You bought 10-10 candle. 10-10. Yeah. Okay, for sure. That's what's up. And you bought that. You bought at a golden time. My God. Shh, that's golden. And we came across. Golden spike. Look how we were building up though, for sure. Look at the build up. Respect the 15-minute prints, and then we just shoots up. Like the build up on the candles. That's a good long. That's textbook. And you probably question, why you didn't take the trade? No. I haven't taken a trade because I feel like my focus ain't haven't been the best. Especially it's on Friday, so I just been kind of like slow pace. Funny how we seeing the same trades though. That's what's crazy. But I'm not taking a trade. Like remember this, when you're trading though, you can have the best strategy, but if you don't got execution, that strategy ain't nothing. That strategy ain't nothing if you don't got the execution. The execution ain't there. The strategy ain't nothing. But you see Rambo, you see Admire, you see all y'all taking these trades because their execution is there. They're not waiting up. So, but it's okay though. Sometimes you might see a setup, and then sometimes you may not take that trade because you just don't feel it to take it. And then you got some that will take their trade and they accept their risk. That's what makes a good trader though. You accept that risk. You're willing to take the trade, whatever you're willing to risk, whatever it's $500, $1,000, you're willing to take that risk, and you just take that trade. Yeah. Yep. Rambo Cito. Spider looking for a short right here, possibly. Do you trade the 1 minute? Yeah, I'll jump down to a 1 minute. But if the 1 minute looks too choppy, I may not trade it. Like if it looks like nothing but range like this, I might not trade it. I might stick to a 5 minute to give me more clearness. Right? I might stick to a 5 minute or 3 minutes to give me more clarity. But I definitely do trade the 1 minute. What's up, Alvin? What do you mean? Why everybody keep saying that? What such a clean trading chart? What do you mean by that? Is it like I'm confused? Are you like the third person to say that? Such a clean, mean trading chart. All right, back to it. Rambo said he was going for that 972 level. 972 level is up here. He's going for those highs. See if we can hold this level and continue to go long. Yes, I do trade the 1 minute. I really do. I'm not trading it right now because it looks a little wonky. You know, it has a lot of little wicks, a lot of little chop around, so it's not really clear to me. As long as it's clear, I'll take it. But like, see the 2 minute, it looks pretty decent. 3 minute, it gets a little better. You know, you can really see the build up, really see the respect on these highs. You know, 5 minute too as well. You can see the build up, see the respect, see how we stand above this high, respecting this zone, respecting this on fair value gap. Nice respect. 15 minute too as well. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go to a 3 minute. I'm gonna keep it on the 3 minute. Let me go back to gold and see. Uh-oh. Oh no. Gold is rejecting. Would I be wrong to take a gold short? I might take a gold short. Let me try a short on gold. Might take a gold short right here. Put my stop above the highs right here for a loss of 60. And I'm gonna target these lows. I'm gonna target these lows on gold. We'll get back to that. See how that looks. M and Q. See what that's looking like. Still look like it's going long though. See, it looks like it's going long. So we got one trade going on for gold. See what we doing right here. Might chop a little bit, honestly. Hey, I like this long. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This long look good, by the way. But I don't want to see us reject any heavy because I like how we see how the sellers dried up. Even though we had this red candle, the sellers dried up right here. Bounce right here. Hey, you can't deny this long though. This long looks good. I want to see if we can retrace and respect this area. All right, so this was I was thinking rejection, but this rejection could turn into a resistance. I mean a support line, right? Volume do suck though. Volume do suck. But the trade is gonna still develop. Look how it's developing. Man, I would like to see us go long. It do look good though. I don't want to see us go short from here. I would like to see us push into these like innocent imbalance right here. That'd be nice. I don't want to see us short back down. Well, which we could though. You know, it don't have to. It don't have to. Hold on. All right, let's see. Where we at? Okay. How many minutes left on this? What's the money is gonna gap up. Volume sucks. True that. True that. Hey, I like that. I like that. I like that reassurance. I like that reassurance. I like that reassurance. Thanks for that reassurance. Thanks for that reassurance. Still gonna put them trades though. All right, let's see. 5 minute. I'm gonna get back to gold in a few and see how it's looking. Get rid of that. Don't need that no more. Get rid of this. Take out some liquidity below. 2 minutes on a 15-minute candle. Get back to gold. See how the trade looking. MGC. All right. Looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. Can we continue? Can we have continuation? I don't want to see us bounce over here. There's no setup on gold? You're telling me there's no setup on gold? There is no Monday. No, there's no setup in gold. You're telling me there's no setup in gold? My guy is literally a trading guru. Bro, that made me feel like a rookie. No setup? Wow. Could be right. Could be right. You could be right, you know? That man talking like he just took out a 10K payout. Which I would like to see. If you're taking them payouts, I would like to see them. Unless you trade live accounts, I don't know. Unless you trade live accounts, then that's a different story. That boy says no setup in gold. It's crazy. Oh, he won. Him. Rambo Cito is him. Might give myself to 11 before I get off. Probably gonna have no volume by then. Are you still, hey Rambo, are you still in that trade though? Are you still holding this trade? Or you like took out partials? This thing might absorb back up though. I'm gonna get up out of this. Just in case it does go back up. I'm gonna get up out of this. It looks short, but I'm gonna get out of it. I'm gonna get out of it. Watch that be a trade. I'm gonna put it right here though, just in case it does. Just in case it was. Have my stop like this. We're gonna see. Now, if you say there was no trade and that trade played out short, Rambo. If that trade play out, you get in trouble. But the reason why I got out of this trade because I had a 15-minute close right here. We took out some lows right here, but also we bounced. Like look how we like right here. See how we bouncing? We might bounce right here. I'm just in case. You never know. Just in case. Also on a 1 hour, even though we're coming down off this fair value gap, this 1 hour fair value gap, we look like we're rejecting underneath this block and right underneath this. Might see a continuation down for these lows. We'll see. Just to be safe. But I'm gonna go back to the MQ. The play is on M and Q. The play is on M and Q. Yeah, okay. You said that go, there's no setup on go. If my trades plays out, there we go. I'm getting you. But nah, I took out because I didn't like that. I didn't like how that 15-minute printed. Alright, respecting what the 5-minute. Hard to trade a market with no volume. But would I get off? No, I'm not gonna get off. I'm not gonna get off because I want to stay on. You know, I want to like stream and talk with y'all. Would I take maybe more trades? I probably will take more trades, but I just gotta make sure I see a setup. If I see a clean setup, I'll take it. A clean setup, I'll definitely take it. Big bounce right there too. I'm gonna try a short right here on NQ. I might try a short right here on NQ. man. Moving without me. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. Yo, why this look long? Why this look long? But then we might, we didn't get the break above though. Oh, it's looking choppy right here. Monthly, weekly, yearly. It's got these highs. Check out some liquidity bounce. Check out some liquidity. Daily, 4 hour. I'm thinking about taking a short on gold. I'm thinking about taking a short on gold. Even though we might get this push, I want to see us reject. If we can reject this fair value gap, this fair value gap, I might take a short. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on that. Go back to N and Q. Yeah, that short was playing out. See if we can come back down to this SMA right here and then bounce. Since we above the SMA, I want to see us come back down to it. We're gonna see. I need more confirmation though. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Still looks short though. Well, very sideways. This might be a lot of range today. A lot of range today. We're gonna see. I might take a short right here. See if we can go back down to this liquidity. I might take a TP right here. Something slight. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna stop above. Maybe even higher. That's what's up. Alright, hold that trade. See what happens right here. Also, I'm going to go if we don't already pumping. Just like that. Alright, go to gold. See what's up with that. Go to gold. Okay. Okay. Good thing I got out of it. But I think that the 15-minute with the bounce right here was going to definitely get me. That was going to get me. That trade could have been a flop. Trade could have been a flop. Good thing that we practicing, sitting on hands. Are we going to bounce at this point? Probably so. We're going to see. Yeah, it did. It really did. And it closed and then it pumped. It closed and then it pumped. That's what's crazy. Ah! That's when I saw. I was like, yeah, no. Just in case we didn't, just in case it did pump, and then just in case it wanted to reject and break, I just got out of it. I didn't want to switch my bias too much, so I got out of it. I'm not a fan of switching too much, unless I know for a fact that market's going the opposite way. I'm not a big, like, yeah, I see it. 15-minute, we got the swell, and then we got the bounce. But I'm not a big fan of just changing my bias, just in case we do drop all the way. You know, you never know. I just try to be safe. She definitely indecisive, for sure. 3 times in a row you've seen it repeat. I mean, of course. But to catch this, yeah. Would I go heavy just to catch this little scalp? Maybe not. But if the volume was right, yeah. I see what you're saying though. I really do. I respect it. I do trade the same though. That's what's crazy. I do trade the same. It just when I saw that 15-minute close and I saw that, yeah, I was like, nah. I'm not about to take that and get shaken out. Heck nah. Heck nah. Can't do that. No, sir. Build confidence. Yes, sir. Boy said, I see it repeats. You be taking them. Couple minutes on these time frames too. Man, these time frames come up so fast. You ever notice that? How they come up so fast. My boy Rambo believe in it. Now Rambo, show me them payouts. Send it to my Instagram. Show me your payouts. I would like to see them, my boy. I'd like to see them 10K payouts, them payouts from Top Step. Unless you trade Top Step, I don't know. Now show me them payouts. I gotta send it to my DMs. I want to see them. Oh, son, come on, Tim. Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. 12 seconds on that. I'm gonna get out of this. Hold up, cause candle just print. So I'm gonna let this candle print. I'm gonna let this 4-hour print in 4 seconds, just in case we do pump. My guy. Okay, we got the print. Let it do whatever, right? Let it do whatever. My guy. Hey, I'm gonna believe. Hey, you know. Send me the payouts. Show me the payout. With whatever the brokerage and the thing is. And it is what it is. I'll show you mine. It ain't nothing. I'll show you mine. I just want to see the payouts. No bragging. Just I want to see them. I just want to see if you just want to see. Come on, man. Now you don't have to. I'm not gonna press you. You don't have to. Look at that pop. Wow. You don't have to. A lot of people. Hey, don't get me wrong. You're right. I believe in what you say, though. I believe in what you say. But I'm not a gambler. I don't like to gamble too much. Right. I don't like to gamble too much. We didn't get to break the 15-minute, right? My TP didn't get hit. My stop loss didn't get hit. Even though we had that bounce, took out the lows and then reject. I mean, that's usually what everybody do. Everybody take these little type of trades. Everybody do take these type of trades. They'll see a sweep, they'll see a bounce, and then bow. That's why I put the line. It's just, but we'll see. But if you do send it, bro, I'm telling you, I'll check it out. I'll look at the receipts and go, you know what, man, this guy, he legit. He doing this thing. Drilling showed me his. He taking on SMA. He taking his SMA trades. He know right here. Look, Drilling, if he's still in the, he probably not in the chat. I don't want to be on his back or nothing. When he sees that we have the SMA like this and we above it, he see long. If we below it, he see short. I respect that, And he showed me the payouts. But if you show me the payouts, boy, if it goes to 9272, that should be enough. Dang, if it goes to 972, that should be enough. Proof he a baller. Hey, I respect it though. I respect that. No hate. I respect it. I respect it. Hey, what's your win rate though? And why'd she say like 30, 40, 47%? What's your win rate? Hey, I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. Hey, I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. Be right back. Hey, send the receipts, man. Hey, it's okay. I will be happy if you sent the receipts. I would not be said it's fake. If it is fake, it is what it is. It's not fake, it is what it is. I mean, shoot. You know, it is what it is. I mean, I'm humble. I'm humble enough to say whatever. It don't matter. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna be on Top Step Wednesday at 11:15. You can clown me on Top Step, but I'm gonna take them trades. I'm not here to look. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I see a good trade, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go all in on it. But you know, it is what it is. I find myself shaky sometimes. We all do. And we're not gonna. I post. If you look at all my social media, I post my losses. I post my wins. I post my entries, my exits. I post it all. I don't care. If it's gonna make me a better trader, I'm gonna take it. Right? I don't care what nobody think. I ain't trying to be the best trader. I'm just trying to. I'm just trying to make it big and call it a day. But yeah, what was it? What was he doing? What were we doing? What were we doing? Yeah, this market closing like 2 more hours though. We got 2 more hours. Can we see if we can find something else? Let me look at gold again. See if gold hit my stop. Nah, market still sideways though. Ooh, this could be a wow. No break, no break, no break on the 30. Wow, 1 hour no break. But at the same time, we're lower. We're not higher. And look at these wicks up here. Oh my goodness. Look at that rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodness. My guy said he looks for that sweep, that bounce, and long. That sweep, that sweep. I mean that sweep, that bounce off the high and short. That boy got that simple trade. Hey, I like it though. I like it. It's tight. It's real cool. That's real cool. All right, going back to M and Q because gold is on some sideways motion. M and Q, good stuff though. Good stuff though. No hate over here, bro. Keep doing your thing. Yeah, we may not go nowhere for another hour. It looks like it, especially being in this range. It looks like it. He was I think it was gonna think it's fake. Dang, already talking. Yeah, it's okay though. Bro, who is blasting that music, bro? All I hear is bass outside. We're back. Rangy, rangy, rangy. Why can't I print the file? Definitely a lot of range. We're in between these on. Yeah, we definitely sideways on gold for sure. Gold got that sideways action. Sideways. Oh my goodness. Monday gonna have to be that day. Make sure y'all stick tuned for that Monday trade. So if you can definitely get some real trading in. Facts. Matthew. That's the truth. But they had some decent trades. I ain't gonna lie. They had some decent trades. Decent trades. Had nice to take out partials up here. Took out some of these liquidities above. I mean, that's nice. Like this, man, this liquidity down here is something to me. I'm hoping we don't bounce right here. It'd be nice to see us break through this. But since we sideways, we might be getting off in a few because this market is about to start closing up in like an hour 30. Wonder if we can get a follow through with this 1 hour. What's up, George? George? Not much. Not much, but a choppy market and quick scalps. See money, take money type of day, really. Wait, why would it? Wait. Y'all got two questions. Hold on. Let me read this. On a straight to funded account, do you trade right away and need to pass the eval? Wait, what? Hey, can somebody answer that in the chat? And also, Spider, why would it hang around in the fair value gap? Why would it hang around the fair value gap? Why would it? Who said that? Now, if you ask me why I put the fair value gap, just to see if it's respecting that. Amari's looking at gold right now. But yeah, if I put now, I don't know if you asked this, but I put the fair value gaps in a demand zone just in case it does respect these zones and just, you know, continuation. That's just to see that. But this short did come out. I figured the short was gonna come. Execution. Had a setup but no execution. But that's okay. Let's look at gold again. Still choppy though. Yeah, like yeah, for sure. Like if it's breaking it, for sure, I just keep it there. I wouldn't delete it just yet, but for sure. If it breaks it and bounce around and it just respects it, then I keep it. But yeah, it don't have to respect the fair value gap at all. We just use it as what confirmation. We just add more charts on this market or indications just to give us more confirmation that the market want to go a certain way. That's the only reason I put these charts. Or they put these zones just in case it wants to respect, and if it don't respect, then I know that it's breaking. TP hit. TP would have hit if I was in that trade. I like that. Also, Rambo, you're right. We took out these liquidity. We didn't break the highs. We had a rejection. I like it's really textbook. Such a textbook trade. Couldn't break the highs. Took out some liquidity above. Are we targeting the ones at the lows? That's the next question. Are we targeting more liquidity? Especially this wick right here is like, pick me, pick me. This wick down here is literally saying pick me. Literally. 7 a.m. pre-market high swept. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Yeah, for sure. And when you see a sweep above the highs on that pre-opening, then yeah, we see a drop. Good stuff. Hey, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. I like that. I like that. Y'all boys are being here trading. And what platform do y'all trade the most? Like, let me know in the chat. What platform do y'all trade the most? Do y'all trade Top Step, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Funded Next, Future Funded Trader, Apex? What do y'all trade? Which platform are y'all trading the most? Or are you trading your live account? I don't know. Market closes up in an hour 30. Might see a sweep of the lows. Might see that sweep. Might see the sweep. Hey. Might see if I can find a short. I'm gonna see if I can find a short trade in this. Aqua Futures. Aqua, and it still uses Project X. Aqua Futures. Is that new? I never heard of that one. Is Aqua Futures new? Huh. I think I seen it on X. I think I seen it on X. Chop fast, chop fast. Choppy, choppy. Uh-huh. Alright. Alright. About to set up. I'm about to set up. I think I'm about to set up. They in Dubai. Wait, where you from? Are you even from the States? Are you from the States? I might set up for a short play. Alexa, chill, chill. Alexa, chill. Chill. And Myra says she's on that gold. So we're gonna see gold again. See if gold can break out of this so-called range. Can we get out this range on gold? It does look short. We're gonna see. I don't know what this was. That right there is criminal. That's a criminal offense. These wicks building up like this is a criminal offense against humanity. Some passive seller was holding this level. Literally. Criminal. I'm gonna get rid of these lines though. Criminal offense. Looking short. Gold is looking short. I'm not gonna lie. Gold is looking short. All right, go back to NQ. Since 2020. Oh, they're pretty new. Okay. For sure. All right, let's get it right here. Yeah, it do. See if we can come back up into this area, respect this area, and then short. I would like to see it. Rambo still wants to go long though, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can the longs play out? We keep rejecting at this point. We might. I mean, look, it might go long just because we just keep building higher and higher and higher, right? We're gonna see. Two minutes left into this 15 and 30 minute print. 30 minute. Yeah. There's so many scalps in here. So crazy. You know, a couple of things. Hey, don't we all? And we all just you know, that's what's up though. I don't think the short's ready on it though. Especially we so choppy. So choppy. Yeah. Not too big on scalping short moves like that. Wow. Are we gonna hold this level? 15-minute range. That was a perfect bounce. Perfect bounce. Ooh. Especially, I know we took out some of those on a minute, though. 2 minute. Okay. That could have been a nice trade. 9 seconds left. See if we can get some more volatility in this market before this market close. All right. I used to do a lot of pranks and challenges. You just noticing that? My God. I used to do a lot of pranks and challenges. A lot of them. Here come that push. Lots of pranks, lots of challenges. And that's how I got it. But it don't mean nothing if you ain't getting that bread. Let's see, this thing all upside down. I ain't gonna lie to you. This thing looks so upside down. Look at gold again. Teach you what? How to trade? No. Teach you how to trade? No, I'm joking. Ooh, these shorts look good. Ooh. Hey, Ma, you think you taking this or nah? What you think? Uh-oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Focus back above. Tap into it. I'm gonna see if we can take a short right here. I'm gonna try a short. I'm gonna try a short right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. Maybe above right here. For 125. But then again, we are pushing high though. That's what I don't like. Our candles are getting higher and we're respecting this block. So that might be a bad trade. Might be a bad call. Might be a bad call. We're gonna see. Could be a bad call. We could really be start picking up to the longs. Yeah, that could be a bad call. All right, going back to gold. See what we got on gold. Okay. Gold's still hanging around. Yeah, I might have to get out that other trade. I might get out of it and just preserve capital. I'm gonna preserve capital. I'm not gonna just risk too much. Might preserve. Cause look at these wicks. Look how the wicks are just forming up, almost as if it wants to continue to go along. But at the same time, I like how we didn't build right here. Let's see. We're gonna see. If we continue to reject off this 5 minute, I'm definitely gonna just hold this trade. But we're gonna see. Might scale out if we don't. TP, I really want to see us take out these lows. I really would like to see us come back down to this 30 minute. If we can do it today. If we can, if not, then in like an hour 30, then oh well. Seeing big moves like this, if we're doing this, we're doing like 50 ticks like this in less than 20 minutes, then come on, right? We're gonna see. All right, 5 minute printing below. I just want to see it respect this and then just drop. I would like to see that. See that drop. But these wicks are trying to hold this market up, which I don't like. We did take out pre-market open session. I like that, but then at the same time, I would like to see us take out more liquidity below. If we don't, then you know what time it is. It's time for us to wrap it up. Might be time to wrap it up. We're gonna see. See what the market want to do. Go back to gold real quick. Let this trade play out. See what happens. I am a little tired for some reason. I don't know. I think I didn't get good sleep last night. Might be. That's probably what I'm probably hungry. Yeah, I'm not liking this chop. I don't like wait. You know what the thing is? It's not even a choppiness. It's the waiting. I don't like waiting. So I might just call it a day, honestly. I think that's my biggest thing. It's like waiting on the trade all day. Because we want to trade all day. Sideways. Yeah, I might have to get up out of this. Yeah, I might get up out of this. I might. If we keep pushing, I might keep a tight stop. Let me see how much that tight that stop would be. $50? Yeah, I'll keep it tight. It's about to push. It bounced off the first presented fair value gap at 9:30. It bounced off the first presented fair value gap at 9:30. Which one? 5 minute fair value gap? The first presented fair value gap at 9:30. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. 9:30 fair value gap? Wait, you mean the 5 minute? Wait, hold up. Which one? Oh, the 15. You talking about this right here, the 15-minute demand zone. This what you talking about? The 15-minute demand zone? This right here? On what time? What time frame? 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. We're about to get stopped out. We got stopped out. On what time frame though? Look at that rejection. Oh, crazy. What time frame though? I'm confused. 1 minute? You talking about this right here? You said 9:34. This. So what are you saying? This right here? Oh no, not that, not that. 9:30, 9:34. I don't see no on the 1 minute. I don't see no right here. Look, I don't see no fair value gap. You talking about like right here? Nah, I'm confused, bro. You got me confused, big time. Oh, you talking about the 15? You talking not the 15 minute, huh? I'm so confused. What? Wait, what you mean? This is my 9:34 right here. I can show you. This is my 9. That is my 9:34. Okay, so your time frame is different. You mean right here, 10:30. Okay. On a 1 minute, 10:34 on a 1 minute. Nah, this is 9. For me, this is 9:34. And right here is 10 because I'm in Chicago. I'm in Chicago time. So it would be 8:30. Oh, 8:34. Okay. So you're talking like that. Okay, got you. 8:30. Bro, what? What 1 minute fair value gap you see? I don't see no 1 minute fair value gap right here. Nah, bro. What you talking about, bro? What? No way. Bro, what? Nah, bro. The red candle is a. Where's the fair value gap at, though? I don't see what you're saying. So if I go back down here, so let me know. I'm on a one. I'm on a 2 minute. I'm going to 1 minute. I'm gonna go at each 34. This is not a fair value gap. I mean, it is, but it didn't tap into it. Go down to 9. This is a fair value gap, but not at 9:34. This is 9:30. I mean, that's a fair value gap, but what the bounce though? You know? I mean, yeah, I guess 7:34. Yeah, I don't see what you're saying. 8:35. Okay, 8:35. Bro, you got me running in circles. Bro, what? There is no fair value gap right there. That's like emptiness right here. Or right here. I went to every 34. Look, right here. Well, that's up for me now. See y'all on Monday. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Alright, well, I might get off this thing too. Might have to get off. This market's about to close soon. Market is saying I quit. Yeah, that's gonna be it, y'all. Cause there's really nothing else. There's really nothing else. Ooh. To the tick. The lowest tick on that swing right now up. The lowest tick on that swing right now up to the tick. I really don't understand what you're saying. I'm sorry, bro. My comprehension ain't it right now, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm throwing off. I don't even know what you're saying. The lowest tick on that swing right now? The lowest tick? You telling me the short's about to play out? Oh no, we got above. We're gonna see. I really don't know what you're saying, bro. I really don't know what you're saying. I'm confused. Man, I wonder if we had a cell phone. I'm gonna take a short right here. Last trade of the day. Put my stop above this one and we're gonna risk it. We're gonna see if we can take these lows out. I don't wanna see us grind higher though. That ain't it. Might even go heavier. Just for the play. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. Can we take this out? I'm in 19 micros. We're gonna call it a day. This is the last trade of the day. On my neck. Big, oh wow. There we go. Are you up or down today? That's down. See, look at this. On top, you see the negative? That's down. Oh, down right there. See it with the negative bar? Look at that pop. Oh, we might bounce right here. We're gonna see. I don't want to see us bounce right here. I really want to see us reject right here. Man, I might get off. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might get off this trade. I might get out of here. Call it a day. I'm not about to sit here and play on this. Yeah, I might get off this. Market 2 rangy for me. Boy, for the smiles. Oh no, you didn't just print above like that. Criminal offense. We got the imbalance below. I would like to see us take out the imbalance if we can. I would like to see. I would like to see. Well, I'm about to get off. Yeah. All right.
You fought long enough.
True that. Yeah, I might have to get off right here. Trying to see if we can hold this level. Not done with scale out. I'm shorting NQ with you. Alright.
I'm coming to pull you off.
Oh yeah, I'm about to get off. I'm actually about to get off right now. I'm just trying to see if we can hold this level and not push. She want me off right now. I have to get off, y'all. Gotta get to them kids. Trying to see if we can break down. I don't like this range. Yep. Come on. One move. If we don't make a move in the next like 10 minutes, I'm gonna get off. I'm really about to get off. I really want to like not sit on here all day. Yeah, it's building up. It's trying to. Oh, okay, okay. Can you reject and just take it out? Clean sweep. This might be a push. Yeah, here come the push. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this. If it don't push up high, yeah, it's gonna probably push high. I'm gonna get out of this. Come on, take me out. All right, we out of that. I'll take that loss. That's it. It is what it is, y'all. Down 432 on the day. I'm calling the day. It is what it is. That big drop. Oh, probably gonna drop right now. Nah, that's it. I'm done. No more revenge trading. Let's get it. I'm out. All right, y'all. I hope y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all Monday. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and like. And also, let me spread this word real quick. I think that's important too. Remember this, Psalms chapter 32, verse 8, the Lord says, I will guide you along the best pathway for your life. I will advise you and watch over you. Do not be like a senseless horse or a mule that needs a bit and a bridle to keep it under control. Many sorrows come to the wicked, but unfailing love surrounds those who trust the Lord. So rejoice in the Lord and be glad, all you obey him, right? Shout for joy, all whose hearts are pure. So make sure that you're obeying him, being faithful to him, calling on the Lord. And y'all have a great weekend and a good day. I'll see y'all later.